Hi guys. Today we will talk about how to extract a zip file in Hostinger. Let's dive into this method. The first thing is head over to the dashboard and take a look on the right top. You will see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines, and from these you have to select the option website. Once you will get access to your all website, which you have in the Hostinger. Here you have to select your site in which you want to extract the file. Click on the option manage, and in the dashboard of the website, click on the option File Manager. And once you will get access to the File Manager, click on the first folder which you see. Here, take a look on the right top. You can see an arrow pointing on the top. Click on it, and here you will see 2 options: File or Folder. Like we want to upload a zip file. So I will click on it, and will navigate to that folder where you have your zip file, and upload that in your Hostinger. Just like I will do. And here you can see the zip file. Click on it. And here you can see the option of extract. Just select this option. Here you have to write the folder name for your file. Just like I will choose it as test after it. Click on the option extract. Now the file has been extracted, and on the top you can see the folder which I have extracted. Click on it. And here you can see I got access of that folder which I just extracted. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.